Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. Now on my back, I have the incredibly rare United States Marine Corps Corpsman pack. Let me do a 360 for you. I receive offers for this pack all the time, but that is not the focus of this video. The focus of this video are the pouches which I have attached to this pack. These are made by Propper, so is this pack. Go ahead, get comfortable. Let's take a look at them now. Now with these pouches here, this is what is known as the 2-pack assault kit from Propper International. Now, Propper International is a military contractor for the government. They produce equipment and clothing for law enforcement, military, and so on. Now, with these pouches here, these are MOLLE and PALS compatible, as you can see. You can use this with your Corpsman pack if you're lucky enough to have one. You can use this with any pack that has MOLLE or PALS webbing. You could also use this with the Propper U.C pack. For the sake of this video, I pulled the Corpsman pack out of storage so you guys can see it. Everybody loves the Corpsman pack because this thing is sweet. The closest thing to it on the civilian market is the U.C pack from Propper. I do have a video on that if you are interested in seeing more about that pack. Going to the pouches. When it comes to the cost for this kit, you are looking at $50. The weight of the small one is 5.2 ounces. The large one is 9 ounces. This is available in 3 colors: black, coyote, and olive green. When it comes to the measurements for the small one, that is 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 2 inches deep. For the large one, 8 inches high, 11 inches wide, 2 inches deep. These are constructed from 100% nylon. Let the trend continue. Let's start with the small one first. As you can see here, you have 2-way zippers. On the inside of this pouch, you have high visibility fabric. It's very bright. This makes grabbing your gear at nighttime or in low light conditions much easier. Inside of this pouch, there are no organizational sleeves or pockets. It's just a large size pouch. Moving to the large pouch, as you can see here, this one can hold a lot of gear. Now this pouch is different because there's plenty of ways to organize your gear here. On the back side of the front, you have a zippered pocket. It's a mesh pocket, which you can store quite a bit of gear inside of there. And then on the back side, you have multiple sleeves and elastic material to stuff your pens, knives, so on. You also have a clip for your keys. Now, so far with my testing, I've been rocking these for the last couple of weeks on my pack here, and I really have no issues to report. The quality is good, traditional, proper quality. Now, when it comes to the price, it is a little bit high, in my opinion. There are definitely cheaper MOLLE pouches out on the market, but with that being said, these are not bad by any means. They're fully functional, they offer you a ton of space, and if you have the U.C pack, you may need that additional space, and this is a great way to add that to your system. With these pouches here, they were designed for a backpack that has at least 6 runs of PALS webbing. So, I will go ahead and take this off so you can see what it looks like. This is the back of the small one here. As you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 snaps. As mentioned before, these are designed for a pack that has 6 runs of webbing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 here and here, and then 2 in the middle. The same can be said for the large one at the bottom. This is the back side of the large one. There you go. Well, everyone, that pretty much wraps it up for this episode. What I wanted to do here was to show these off, put these on your radar just in case you're in the market for some MOLLE and PALS compatible pouches. You know, so far with my testing, there's no complaints here. The quality is good, the design is good, excellent zipper pulls. You have hook and loop here on the front for patches and so on. Same on the small one. If you guys have any questions for me, you know what to do. And no, I will not sell the Corpsman pack. Strength and honor. I'll see you guys around. See ya.